Whether you have questions on your contract term or need to download a copy of a work order with iLand, you are able to do so and more through your Success Center site as long as you have admin or billing permissions. Click on Contracts on the left-hand navigation bar to view the list of your current and past contracts with iLand. All information in regards to the contracts will be displayed, such as product family and specific product type, your current monthly cost per contract, the days remaining on the contract, as well as the associated start and end dates. To view more details on a specific contract, you can click on the contract name. On this page, you can review the contract number and status, whether it's activated or deactivated. You can see the data center location for that solution, again, the monthly cost, as well as the billing frequency for the contract, the term, days remaining, and start and end dates. And then you will also see the line items associated with your solution, along with the cost per unit and monthly cost per line. Click on Work Orders on the left-hand navigation bar to view a list of your current and past work orders with iLand. You are able to view the work order name and who the order was sent to for a signature. To download a specific order, click on the name of the agreement. Once you do that, a copy of the signed work order will pop out in a new tab for you to review and download. If you have any questions about your contracts or work orders, you can always reach out to your account manager.